Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making roasted yam. We are going to use air fryer to roast this yam. If today is your first time of tuning in, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. If you have any question, leave it in the description. I'm going to answer them. Okay, so just wash the yam, peel the skin of the yam, cut into the size you want. You can cut the yam into little pieces, or you can create any design with your yam before you air fry them. They are going to come out crispy and maintaining the same shape you have cut the pieces of yam into. So how is it going? Compliment of the season, everyone. Hope everybody is doing great. Thank you guys. We just hit 3,000 subscribers. I am so happy. I'm immensely grateful to all my subscribers. Thank you for hanging there with me. Thank you for feeling that I deserve the likeness. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much. This is an amazing milestone for me. Okay, so after peeling the yam, wash it properly before removing every stuff that is remaining in the yam that you didn't see when you were peeling them. Okay, so after that, you cut the yam into pieces into the size you want them to be.